Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can enable the power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications, extend the list, and somewhere in here you'll find a toggle for it. There we go. So here it's called battery saver, but once you find it, you can simply tap on it. It doesn't give us any kind of notification on what it does, so I'm just gonna kind of add a couple of things that I can see. So one thing that I can see is the refresh rate. Instead of having a high refresh rate, you get 60. So that's one of the things that I can obviously see. That's the only thing that I can actually see. Probably what is also happening, it's going to limit visual effects, which refresh rate is one of them. Animation is another one. It's probably going to also deal with the mobile data and Wi-Fi in some kind of way. So when the device is not being used for extended amount of time, it just disconnects from them to save battery. Now this will result in you not receiving any kind of notifications for God knows how long, basically till you actually probably interact with the device again, which at that point it will automatically reconnect and sync up everything that was missing. Now there might be more happening, but obviously I have no clue. Now once you're done with the power saving mode, you can find the toggle again, and to turn it off simply tap on it, and there we go. Everything should go back to functioning normally. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.